Hello YouTubers, this is Coach DC Woods coming back at you with another watch reveal. As you can see, I have another Marvel watch to show you. It's an Invicta limited edition watch with the beautiful Marvel display box. Let's see what's inside. And there it is. First of all, it comes with an instructional limited warranty manual, lint-free wipe to keep your watch clean. Also comes on a pillow and everything. A beautiful display box by Invicta. But enough of that. Let's talk about the watch. Let's get rid of the pillow for a second. And there it is. This is the Sea Hunter 52 millimeter special edition watch by Invicta. Invicta do collaborations with Marvel, and this is one of my many Black Panther watches, not of the same watch, but different collections of the Black Panther edition. They come in other Marvel superheroes such as Tony Stark, Iron Man, and Captain America, but since Chadwick Boseman died, I started collecting these watches. As you can see, it has at the 9 o'clock position, it has the mask, and on the second hand dial, there is also a little tiny mask on it also. They're kind of all over the place because there are some on the bolt outside the bezel. And there's one on the crown of the watch. It's hard to see because it's a black crown, but there it is. The bezel is kind of a brush purple. Had the push buttons, they are purple also. And stainless steel watch, 16 millimeters thick, 52 millimeters wide. Comes in a silicone bracelet with the silver chrome accents, sorry. And it's a beautiful watch. Well, first of all, I forgot to tell you, like I said, it's a Marvel limited edition. As you can see, it got the stamp on the back. This is watch number 319 of 3000. Let's put it on to see how it feels. First of all, the watch of the day is my Invicta Lupa special edition watch. Okay, let's try this bad boy on. And here she is. It's a beautiful watch. Like I said, 16 millimeters thick and 52 millimeters wide. Special edition Sea Hunter. As you can see, there's the date display right there. Got your chronographs. Even your hands represent the spears of the Wakandan king. Inside the bezel shows his necklace right there in the little purple, and also around the bezel it shows the accents on the hour positions that represent his necklace also. Purple trimmed in white and black. This is model number 30314. And it's beautiful. Well, tell me what you think. Wakanda forever. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.